Brothers Plushies and welcome to another unboxing. I believe this one is my Teddy Hermann White Tiger Cub. As you can see, oh my god, I opened the box with the scissors before I started the video so it doesn't take a long time. Oh, he's way better quality than I expected. Like, he's really heavy. Oh my gosh. He's a little bit bigger than I expected. He's like the perfect size. This is my first, well, not exactly my first white line plush. I did find this cheap one at a sale one time, and I have the small Fair Schwartz white line, but this is my first good quality plush, so that's because I really wanted the SOS ones. Teddy Hermann, this is only my second Teddy Hermann, and they are really good quality. I'm sorry, Uni Toys, but Teddy Hermann is better quality. They're heavier and denser, but they did an amazing job on the shading above the nose and on the face. And she has pink ears. She definitely needs an Arctic name. Perfect timing for Christmas. I want to get a picture of her in front of the tree this year. So, bean-wise, feels like she has some in her tush and has some in her feet. So that's what makes her so heavy. It's so dark in here. But yeah, I definitely recommend her. So as always, I hope you guys enjoyed, and I'll see you in my next video. Bye guys.